Hate being strangled by a headphone wire? Sound system cables forcing you to compromise on audio quality? Carrying two hands-free devices for two different gadgets? Well, it's time to go wire-free.
Wireless itself is going to be the next incoming thing. For wireless product itself, it actually will not tie you down to the product. You can move freely around in the room wherever you are. So I believe that this is the future for all devices.
Creative Technology, known for its peripheral devices such as headphones and speakers, has come up with wireless versions of the same in a bid to create a complete wireless ecosystem.
They are actually hooked up wirelessly, so you can actually place two of the speakers 30 meters apart from each other, and they can communicate wirelessly. So you can put one in the living room and one inside your bedroom and play the same music at the same time.
Creative has also launched wireless headphones with a revolutionary invisible mic.
So for this headphones itself, right, it has a built-in mic which doesn't show the boom mic itself, which actually for a boom mic itself is actually quite distracting because you have to make sure that it's through your mouth and things like that. So right now we actually have this mic built into the headphone itself so that you can receive call and as well as listen to music without this ugly stick coming to your mouth. Yeah.
The wireless ecosystem is incomplete without an MP4 player, and this bite-sized player comes with its own Bluetooth-compatible device. So you can listen to music even as you exercise without getting entangled in cables. While the speakers are priced in the range of 10 to 25,000 rupees, the MP4 player comes for 34,000 rupees. Well, that's not all. The main attraction of the lot was the tablet. Yes, Creative launched its first tablet. It's slim, compact and fully loaded. Creative Technologies Zeo is the latest entrant in the tablet market, and they hope to capture a large chunk of it. Reason? Zeo is priced between a comfortable range of 18 to 22,000 rupees. That's nearly half the price of most other tablets in the market. The Zeo tablet is available in two sizes, 7-inch and the 10-inch. And they will set you back by 18,000 rupees and 22,000 rupees respectively. A low price even though players like Apple iPad, Samsung Galaxy and HTC Desire will set you back at least 30,000 rupees. Zeo runs on Android 2.2 operating system and comes with Creative Technologies' very own X-Fi Crystallizer and X-Fi Expand modes for greater audio clarity. It also comes with an HDMI cable, so you not only watch movies on your Zeo, but also connect it to your TV and watch films on HD. But the only thing that sets the Zeo apart from all other tablets is that it is compatible with all of Creative Technologies' wireless equipment such as speakers and headphones.
We have all the media players, the MP3 features on it. Everybody controls their players from the tablet itself. So let's say you have this tablet itself that is wirelessly hooked to our wireless speakers behind. You can actually control the music and the volume from this tablet itself to all the devices.
So for those who always thought that buying a tablet would be a distant dream, it's not that far anymore. Yes, with the new tablets being launched every day and that too at lower prices, your dream can almost come true. Coming back to what they do best, Creative has also launched a new speaker, and it's just the way Afreen likes it. It's small, easy to use and a little intelligent too.
Oh, you know me so well, Manav. Yeah, it's called the Creative D5.
Are you a music freak but don't like your ears to be cushioned? Well then, you have got speakers. Oops, can't get the connect here? Never mind, we have something easy for you. As the iPhone, iPod audio docking systems move into a more mature phase, Creative is hitching its wagon to Bluetooth in a bid to differentiate itself in the crowded category. Creative, being creative to the core, are going the wireless way.
Yes, the company has now bulked up its audio line with Bluetooth-enabled iPod speaker options, including the latest one, Z Sound D5. It's stylish, it's compact, and it's got some magic in it. What's the magic? Well, let me spill the beans for you.
The nice thing about the Z Sound D5 is that it's pretty compact, has a contemporary look that makes it quite chic, a low profile that's well suited for shelf placement. The attractively designed speaker has nice heft and appears to be well built, though the speaker cloth that covers the front and top of the speaker seems susceptible to fraying, keep this one away from cats and does attract some dust. We would have rather preferred a matte finish top and metal or plastic grills to cover the speakers. That would save us from guarding our speakers all the time. The best thing about these speakers is that they are wireless, which simply means that its Bluetooth compatibility allows the wide range of A2DP devices to stream audio wirelessly to the speaker. So if you own any of the stereo Bluetooth enabled devices, connecting to the D5 can be as simple as turning your device's Bluetooth on and hitting play on your music. The music will stream wirelessly to the speaker as long as you're within about 30 feet of the D5. For those of you who have the non-Bluetooth enabled iPods, this is a Bluetooth dongle that attaches to the bottom of your iPod and allows you to stream audio in the same fashion. What's nice is that this dongle stores away in the speaker itself, and when it's in place, it acts as the connector to charge your iPod or iPhone. To make it more user-friendly, it has an auxiliary mini jack input on the back, so you can connect other audio devices with an optional cable. As for sound, pretty impressive. When listening to the Z Sound D5, it's pretty hard to tell you're listening to music streamed wirelessly via Bluetooth. The little speaker offers more bass than its size would indicate. So all in all, this one is worth a buy. And time now for the ratings. On the Geekometer, D5 gets a 9. As it's easy to use, we give it an 8. Since it's stylish, we give a 9 on the style quotient.
It's time to go in for a short break, but on the other side,
We've got a Bose home theater system and a Noble phone, so stay tuned.